Guys, what's good? Just coming at y'all with another video of a watch I've had for a while. I have featured on the channel on occasion, but never actually made a video of. I was actually trying to involve this watch in a trade, and I was looking over my channel and I said, man, I've never actually made a video of the MR-G. So this is a Casio G-Shock. It's an MR-G, and this is the B1000. Comes in a couple of different colorways and metals. This is the titanium with the black PVD coating. It's got a titanium carbide coating, I think, as well. So it's like super scratch resistant and very lightweight because it's all titanium. A beautiful watch, and it's an MR-G. So what does Mr. G mean? Well, it's not exactly Mr. G. And there is some controversy about what exactly Casio means by MR-G. I've seen some forum postings saying that it may mean most resplendent G-Shock, or it just may mean just an internal code at Casio. But yeah, you see the watch here, and it has a lot of cool technology. It syncs up with your phone via Bluetooth, and in doing so, the time is 100% always correct. In fact, you can adjust all the settings based on what the watch shows in Bluetooth, and so you can set it to different times, etc. You can see that it has a day of the week right here, and then it's got a variety of other functions too. So if I hit the mode button here, so this is the stopwatch function. So look how that works. And so now I've activated the stopwatch. It just works like any other stopwatch, although the minutes and hours elapsed are totalized here. You've got the date here. Other than having Bluetooth sync, though, it also has satellite radio. It also has radio sync time. And so if you're in a country that has radio sync time, then it'll sync up every night. So just a really cool watch, very attractive, very lightweight. And honestly, as far as G-Shocks go, as far as MR-Gs go, certainly it's kind of moderate size. So let's compare it to the watch I'm wearing today, which is my Luminox. This is the 4220, the ANU. Check out my video of this watch. So weirdly enough, I'm wearing two black watches today. And so let's just compare these two size-wise. And kind of similar, kind of like 42 millimeter watch kind of feel and size. Just really easy to wear. Look how the bracelet just falls right off, so it'll accommodate even a small wrist, and of course it looks great on a big wrist too. On the subject, let's get it on wrist and just kind of see how it looks. Give me a second. Hey guys, I'm back, and let's take a look at this thing on wrist. Just a really lightweight, good-looking watch. And then so let's just put this thing on, and it's perfect. It's got a little locking mechanism on the back of the bracelet right here, so it can't be opened or closed, and that's a feature that's specific to the MR-G line. And it's just super comfortable, super easy to wear, and it will always be exactly on time because it can sync to your phone time via Bluetooth, or it has satellite syncing also. And so, it's always going to be right exactly per second on time, which makes it really easy to use. I've got the stopwatch still activated, so I'll stop and then reset it. And then it's got a variety of other modes and stuff, but for a simple go anywhere, do anything watch, the MR-G line from Casio is their top of the line concept. This is kind of entry level when it comes to MR-G, and so this one goes for around $2,500. Maybe around $2,250, but that's about as cheap as an MR-G is going to get, and they just go up and up and up from there. I really like it. I think it's a great watch. I think it's very comfortable to wear, and it's very reassuring to know that it's always going to be on time. I don't ever have to change the battery because it has Casio's solar battery charging technology in it. It's got satellite syncing, so I can go to a different country, and as long as I have access to the as long as I have access to the radio signal, it'll reset at around midnight every night. Really cool watch, very nice, a good size, and something that I would recommend. It's expensive, that's for sure. There are other watches that are much cheaper in the Casio G-Shock line that have the the Bluetooth syncing or the radio timekeeping or the solar charging technology. That's true. The MR-G is a nice combination of a bunch of high-end features with a very high-end case construction. The case is every bit as good as, say, like an Omega case. It's titanium, so it's super lightweight. And it's really cool. The MR-G line, you can see it's all analog, so it's got a lot of hands. It doesn't have LCD windows, and that's kind of the concept of the MR-G line, just sort of a high-end take on a Casio G-Shock, and just a totally cool watch. It is expensive, but if you're into high-end quartz, high-tech watches, this is about as good as it's going to get. Unless you're going to just spend crazy money on something. As I said at the beginning of the video, I am considering trading off this watch. I'm exploring a couple of options for it, and it just depends on what comes my way. I've owned it and enjoyed it for a while now, but it may be time for this one to find a new home and maybe get something else to kind of take its place, so that I can do a review on for you guys. Anyway, hope you guys are doing well. Take care. God bless. Just a quick look at the Casio MR-G killer watch. Guys, take care. God bless. Bye.